All right, first thing you need to do to draw a music note is draw a circle and color it in. That thing right there is called a note head. All right, everybody write that and write what I just wrote. Okay, now, if you make your note heads too big, then it's going to take you forever. So don't make giant note heads. Just make kind of smallish ones. All right, don't move a muscle. Put your eyes on the board. This is very important. This is where kids get a little crazy and wrong. Okay, when you draw the next part, it has to be on a certain spot on the note, because if it's not, it's wrong. So your stem has to be on the right-hand side so that it looks like the letter D. If it looks like the letter B, it's wrong. If it looks like a cherry, it's wrong. Okay, so everybody do that. Put your stem on the right-hand side. And once you draw your stem, write the word stem. Hold it up when you're done. Excellent. Draw 4 do's. Okay, to turn these into due days, all you do is you draw a line. This line is called a beam. All right, easy enough. Now, here's another thing that happens when kids start to draw due days. Here's what starts to happen. The easiest way to do it is to draw 2 do's and connect them. But for some reason, kids start to think different things. And things start to turn out like that. What are those? Headphones. No headphones. Or they do things like that. No people feet. Or no connected cherries. Okay. Okay, so go ahead and draw 4 pairs of due days. Making sure you're turning your note heads and stems on the right spots. Okay, think of 2 do's and connecting. How to draw them upside down. Are you ready?
Yes.
Turn your paper upside down.
What? That is so easy. That is so easy.
Okay, now when you're writing music, sometimes lots of times you can't just turn your paper upside down.
Actually drawing it.
So, let me show you how to draw them upside down. So you draw your note head. Okay. Now your stem has to go on the opposite direction so that it makes the letter P. All right. No 9s. No lollipops. Okay. All right. Go ahead and draw 4 do's. And if you want to be super cool, you would make your note heads all the same size, and you would make your stems all the same length. Turn them into due days now. What do? Just connect them with beams. You don't have to write beam. Next, I want you to draw 3 sets of due days. Now, same thing. Draw 2 do's and connect them. You don't want to end up with upside down headphones and an upside down person and 2 lollipops connected. All right, no lollipops. We're on step number 11. We're almost there to step 12. Step number 11 is where I tell you a pattern and you write it down. Let me show you the secret to it. Don't do anything. Just watch me. I'm going to show you how I do it, because if you can do it like I do it, you're golden. All right, so here's my pattern, and I want you to copy it back to me, and then I'll show you how I write it. Do-day, do, do-day. Say that. Uh-oh, that was a mess. Do-day, do, do-day. Say it. All right, first thing I do is I write a note head for each sound. So watch me. Don't move anything. Don't write yet. Do, day, do, day. So I write a note head for each sound. Next thing I do is I write my stems. Do, day, do, day. Love a do and do day. First thing I need you to do is draw 4 boxes right in a row. Just boxes, whatever, rectangle. Now, you're going to write a do and do day pattern, but you can only have 1 do in a box or do days in 1 box. Does that make sense? Okay, before you write your pattern, say it in your head and then write it down. Okay, go ahead, write your own music. Say it in your head and then write it down.